Rhodium may not be a common jewelry term to everyone, but it is an important aspect for the finish and durability of jewelry. Rhodium plating helps enhance the luster of popular metals such as silver and white gold. In addition, it adds smoothness and a shiny finish to jewelry materials. If you wish to make silver-tone jewelry, the best option is to use either silver or brass as the core, then plate it with rhodium to enhance stretch resistance and antioxidation capabilities. Rhodium belongs to the platinum family of metals. Since rhodium itself is much harder than gold, it makes a durable protection coating for metals. Rhodium is also extremely rare, which makes it roughly 10 to 25 times more expensive than gold. In 2021, the price is almost 12 times more expensive than gold. One of the reasons rhodium is such an expensive metal is because of its irreplaceable usage in the automotive industry. Car needs it in its exhaust system to convert toxic gases into less harmful gas. Here is a fun fact. There is a 20% rise in crime related to automobiles catalytic from 2019 to 2021, only because there are several grams of rhodium contained in this device. You can see how sought after this material is. Are there any alternatives to rhodium if it's currently too expensive? Our jewelry experts recommend plating silver on silver or combining rhodium with platinum for a more budget-friendly option. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. Get in touch with our team of experts now via our website or social media links below to learn more about plating silver-tone jewelry pieces superbly. You can also subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on jewelry business tips and news. Stay tuned for the next video.